Hello. Today I will show you how you can use your account in the NWTC student portal. Once logged in, you can manage your course registration and student financials. First, log into the student portal at student.nwtc.edu and click on Workday. To start adding classes, click on Academics Hub in the top Apps section. Then, under Planning and Registration, click on Find Course sections. Enter your start date, academic level, and location, then use the filters to narrow down the results to match your preferences. Once you have selected a course section, click Start Registration to move forward with the enrollment process. The student portal is also how you access your NWTC financial account. From the portal homepage, click on Workday, then on Finances. Your financials overview includes your account and tax statements, tuition details, and financial aid information. Here you can make payments toward your tuition and fees. Simply click on Make a Payment. The student portal also has a Finances page with quick links to common tasks required for managing your financial aid. These links allow you to review and accept or decline your financial aid offers, learn about your financial aid award, review your financial aid statement, view items you need to complete, and check your satisfactory academic progress. For more help, visit our Ask a Librarian website at nwtc.libanswers.com.